IELTS vocabulary, understanding and using the word brochure. Imagine you're planning a vacation. You walk into a travel agency and the first thing you see is a colorful display filled with glossy paper booklets showcasing exotic destinations. Those booklets are what we call brochures, and that's the word we're focusing on in today's IELTS vocabulary lesson. Word type: brochure is a noun. It's pronounced bro-sure with the emphasis on the first syllable. Meaning: a brochure is a small booklet or pamphlet, typically with pictures and information about a product, service, or place. It's often used for advertising or providing information to potential customers or visitors. Word history: the word brochure comes from French, where it originally meant to stitch. This refers to the fact that brochures are often made by folding and stitching together sheets of paper. Synonyms for brochure include pamphlet, leaflet, flyer, and handout. These words all refer to informational documents, but they can vary slightly in format and purpose. Antonyms are a bit tricky for this word as it's a specific type of document. However, we could consider words like book or tome as opposite in terms of length and detail. Let's look at some examples of how to use brochure in sentences. The hotel receptionist handed me a brochure about local attractions. The company's new product line was beautifully presented in a glossy brochure. I picked up several university brochures at the education fair to help me choose where to apply. The travel brochure made the beach look so inviting that I booked my holiday immediately. Now, let's address some common errors people make when using this word. First, be careful with pronunciation. Some people mistakenly say brochure, but the correct pronunciation is bro-sure. Second, remember that brochure is a countable noun. This means you can say one brochure or many brochures. It's incorrect to say much brochure. Instead, use many brochures or a lot of brochures. Lastly, while brochure is often used in the context of advertising or tourism, it's not limited to these fields. Any small informational booklet can be called a brochure, whether it's about health, education, or any other topic. To wrap up, a brochure is a versatile and commonly used word in English. It refers to a small informational booklet, often used for advertising or providing information. Remember its pronunciation, usage as a countable noun, and the variety of contexts in which it can be used. Practice using this word in your own sentences to become more comfortable with it. Good luck with your IELTS preparation!